Hello children, here I am going to explain you how to combine two sentences using after and before. After means tarvata, before means mundu. Here actually after and before are conjunctions. It suggests some successivity of events. అంటే ఒకదాని తర్వాత వచ్చే ఈవెంట్స్ని చెప్పడానికి we will use after and before. Here we found we had little to carry. Some thief had removed most of my things. Here we have two actions. One is we found we had little to carry. One action. Some thief had removed most of my things is another action. Here two actions are there. Here what happened first, which is the earlier action? Some thief had removed most of my things. It is the earlier action. That's why I used had plus V3. Had plus V3. And the later action is we found we had little to carry. That's why here we used past tense, simple past tense. Here the action which occurred earlier is expressed in the past perfect tense, means had plus V3. ముందు జరిగిన యాక్షన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఇన్ పాస్ట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ టెన్స్, మీన్స్ హ్యాడ్ ప్లస్ V3. The action which occurred later is expressed in the simple past tense. Later తర్వాత జరిగిన యాక్షన్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్రెస్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ద simple past tense V2. In the given two sentences, first of all we have to find out which is earlier action and which is later action. If they give two sentences to combine the two sentences using after or before, means first of all we have to find out which is the earlier action and which is the later action. Here I gave one example. Sujata had arrived at the station before the train came. Here two actions are there. First one is Sujata had arrived at the station. Next one, the train came. Here earlier action is Sujata had arrived. That's why we used here had plus V3. Next we wrote before, తర్వాత ఎప్పుడు వచ్చింది తను, ద ట్రైన్ బిఫోర్ ద ట్రైన్ కేమ్. సారీ, బిఫోర్ మీన్స్ ముందర. ద ట్రైన్ కేమ్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్. ట్రైన్ రావడానికి ముందర సుజాత వచ్చారు. హియర్ టూ యాక్షన్స్ ఆర్ హియర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎర్లియర్ యాక్షన్, దిస్ ఈజ్ లేటర్ యాక్షన్. హియర్ we used had plus V3. In the second action, later action, we used simple past tense. Next one, the doctor arrived after the patient died. After means tarvata. Here what happened first actually? The patient had died. అతను చనిపోయాక the doctor arrived. That's why here earlier action is patient had died. Had plus V3. Later action, the doctor arrived. So simple past tense V2. Here one more example. I brushed my teeth. I took my breakfast. Here we have to combine these two sentences using before or after. First of all, what we have to do? We have to find out the earlier action and later action. Here earlier action, I brushed my teeth. Later action, I took my breakfast. Then we have to go with the verbs. Here brushed is there. Here verb took is there. Next, earlier action means we have to use had plus V3. Later actions means we have to use only V2 form. First of all, we'll combine this one using after. After means tarvata. So after I had brushed my teeth. First జరిగిన యాక్షన్ ముందర ఆఫ్టర్ యాడ్ చేస్తాం. After I had brushed my teeth, I took my breakfast. Second, before తో I had brushed my teeth before I took my breakfast. సో బిఫోర్ ఎప్పుడు యాడ్ చేసినా సరే సింపుల్ పాస్ట్ టెన్స్కి ముందు, లేటర్ యాక్షన్కి ముందు బిఫోర్ యాడ్ చేసుకుంటాము. ఆఫ్టర్ అనేది ఎర్లియర్ యాక్షన్కి ముందు యాడ్ చేసుకుంటాము. ఓకే, హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్.